Florida! Yay! Just left Georgia, now we're in Florida. 403 more miles to go to my delivery tomorrow. The thing about Florida is that once you get closer to Miami, there is not many truck stops. Truck stops usually stop about halfway down Miami, or down Florida itself. Pretty much Florida is mostly swamp. So the farther you get down, the more swampier the land becomes, and that means more less land to have. So truck stops are not, you're not going to find them too often. And when you do find them, you have to pay for it. Now, when you're going to enter Florida here, the welcome center is maybe pretty much pretty cool. As much as you drink. But there's also 2 checkpoints got about halfway up to 95, and I couldn't go anymore. I was so tired. I went to bed. Next morning, my 10 hours wasn't quite up. I was about to start doing my free trip to get out because the storms were coming. The hurricane was really, really close at that point. And all of a sudden, the power went out in the rest area, and the winds got really heavy and really strong. And all I could think of is tornado. And I pretty much threw the logbook out the window and I took off. I didn't do a pre-trip, I just started driving. Because, well, tornadoes do happen when a hurricane comes along. With all the winds and all that stuff, tornadoes are everywhere. So like I said, I got out, I got into Georgia before and away from the dangerous parts of the storm. But I was pretty freaking out. I was pretty freaked out because I had an empty trailer in a hurricane. And I was thinking, if I break down now or if I flip over now, I don't know if I'm going to live. Because the hurricane was coming right, I was in the path of the hurricane. But I was able to get out of there. We're 200 miles from Tampa. We're not going to see Tampa. We're not going to see Tampa. I came up this way when I was running from the hurricane. I was like coming up this highway. I shot across the 10, you'd say, from Jackson. Because the hurricane was going to go up straight up to 95. It was kind of going that way, so I was trying to avoid it. So I shot across the 95. Shot across the 10 that runs across the north part of Florida. Shot across that. And got on to the 75 and went all the way to Georgia. But once you get past here, once you get past the 10 up here, that's when the checkpoints